kind of little bit of a background why this type of event is actually close to my heart is that I was in your shoes. You know, I came new to Canada. I had no idea how the system works, right? So I had to learn it on my own and, you know, try different methods for myself, find out how to write the resume, how I should behave myself at the interview. One idea that came to my mind when you were asking about what you shouldn't do at the interview, and I will mention it right now because I might forget later. Well, I'm from Ukraine, and people there are so much about politics, you know, discuss politics, they love it, they're just passionate about it, you know, because we have so many revolutions happening, you know, every 3 years we have a revolution, so people just care too much about politics. I would never raise a topic related to politics, religion, but just be politically correct, right? So make sure that doesn't come up. Anyways, my topic today is preparation for a successful interview. If you have questions while I'm talking, feel free to ask. Let's make it engaging, okay? So, an interview. Obviously, interview is a meeting with an objective. Your objective is to get the job. So that's why you need to prepare for it, obviously, to attain, to reach your objective. And the employer, what does employer do at the interview? Try to guess. Obviously, it's on the screen. What do you think employer is trying to get at the interview?
The best candidate.
To find the best candidate, correct, of course. So their objective is to find the best person for the job. So they will be asking you questions